and welcome back. While summer hasn't said goodbye yet, but fall is already knocking at the door, this is the season I love to slow down, savor the light, and prepare my home for cozy days ahead. Cold iced coffees have given way to steaming mugs of chai. Outside, the world is changing too. Oh, hello, crunchy leaves. So nice to see you. I made these pumpkins using air dry clay and let them dry overnight. How cute are these leaves? It's time to color them and make a fall garland. I'm thinking maybe I can put it in my kitchen as a decor. I think it turned out super cute. Adds a little charm in my kitchen. Love it. Time to explore fall decor and all the cute things they have in the store. I don't usually buy a lot of decor. I have just a few bits and pieces here and there, but I sure do love looking at all the cute things they have each year. These four flowers and leaves were so pretty that I had a hard time choosing one and did not end up buying anything. This particular candle holder was extremely beautiful. Today I had a few overripe bananas, so I thought why not make some banana muffins? The kids are more than eager to help on this. I really do enjoy their company while baking. It makes the process even more fun. Later, okay? Okay, it's time to make our fall bucket list. This year, I really want to go apple picking. I've never been to any kind of fruit picking, so I'm hoping that I can go apple picking this year. So, adding it to my Pinterest board. Another thing that I want to do is bake cinnamon rolls, the pre-packaged one. I've never tried that before. Really excited to do that. Some kind of fall baking, maybe cookies or pumpkin bread. I hope you liked today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.